So y'all welcome to part 2.
You trying to take the hinges out?
Yeah,
What?
So right now we got the cooler off and the piping. Alright B, what we at on part 2?
Hey, we gotta start pulling it apart. Gotta get ready for this engine harness to go in because they put the wrong engine harness in it.
What's up, twin?
Doesn't look like a race cut. Look like we about to take it to the scratch yard.
This is where we at.
What's up, twin?
What's up, twin? Okay, now we're moving the rest of this piping from the intercooler.
Yeah, I see all the boost leaks that we had now. None of this shit was tight.
Boom, boom, boom. Hey y'all, it's around 5. And
Making some progress. Don't come together. We know it.
Kayla, wow.
It's gonna come together before we know it. I know it will. It's gonna take some time though.
Oh, y'all didn't get to see the sanding. Hold on, y'all.
So yeah, we've been doing a little bit of everything. Don't mind the Ducatis back there. Don't worry about that.
Let's run by.
Yeah, they are for sale.
So V has already sprayed this side with one coat. Look at that. Go check that out.
I ain't even saying it yet. It's free.
Yeah, look at the person with the
And this concludes this weekend.
hopefully I should get paid off later.
Is there anything we're looking for in particular, V?
Well, we want a 98 engine harness.
What
But
you
we're probably gonna go with standalone.
Because the standalone will send it.
Yeah, if you wanna chip in on this build or be a part of this build, we will be starting a Patreon soon.
All right.
Stay tuned.
And are accepting sponsors.
Also accepting sponsors. Also, if you're looking for new music, we got you on that too, so stay tuned.
Peace. Peace, yo. Peace, twin.
That's it. Till next weekend.